Enter the slider for the paraboloid parameters. The length and height dimensions are set up as floating point numbers with 1 decimal. The end part slider is set up as integer numbers with a minimum limit of 1. Four construct point components are needed to determine the corners of the paraboloid. The first point to the coordinate, 0, 0, h. The second one to the coordinate, L, 0, 0. The third one, 0, L, 0. The fourth one, LLH. Add 4 line components for the edges of the paraboloid. The first edge goes to the first and second point. The second edge goes to the second and fourth point. The third one goes to the third and fourth point. The fourth one with the first and third point. Add a component called divide curve to divide each edge into equal parts. Go to Curve, Division, Divide, Divide Curve. Link each edge to the C parameter of divide curve and specify the number of parts in N. You only need to enter 2 line components to link the opposite sides. To create a three-dimensional surface, you need a component called Loft. Go to Surface, Freeform, Loft. It must be linked with two opposite edges in the input parameter C. To link more than one component, hold down the Shift key. To hide a component, click the middle mouse button and choose Disable Preview. To see it again, click the middle mouse button and choose Enable Preview.